Good morning.
Oh man, family, I'm so excited. Good morning. Good morning. We are live on Revolutionary Cam. Excuse my voice this morning. I'm excited. Got my sister, the lovely Jane. She's giving us a welcome to the Miklin Hotel. Say a few words to our guests. We just arrived last night.
What should I say?
Give us a welcome. We're your guests.
Yeah,
This is your house, right? This is your house. You're the receptionist, right?
Yeah, I am. I'm the supervisor here. So, welcome back once again.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Do you enjoy our energy here? Do you enjoy us coming?
Yes, we do, because this is not the first time they are here. This is, I think, third or fourth.
Fourth time.
So, this is their house.
2012, 13, 14, 15.
Yeah, 15. So this is their house. They are free to come. Yeah.
Well, we appreciate your welcome energy, and we're definitely gonna connect back with you. I'm gonna let everybody see
Okay.
the compound of the Miklin Hotel. All right, so our group is having breakfast, and straight ahead is where we're gonna have our business and investment conference later. And we have one of our exciting tour members. She's just like glistening with happiness. Can you believe it? Hello, my sister. You just glistening. Are you in paradise?
Oh yes, I am. Food was great. And
Breakfast was
enjoying
good?
myself. I am so happy to be
That's
here.
perfect. So now we're waiting for our big bus.
Yes.
That's gonna come right there, and then all of us are gonna march on there like we're in the military. All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Revolutionary Cam, morning.
Good morning. And there is my beautiful vegan princess. How you doing this morning?
Yeah.
Oh, she's so modest. She didn't know we were talking about her.
Good morning.
Make sure everybody has everything.
Revolutionary Camp saying good morning to all these beautiful people. We wouldn't have this kind of documentation without sisters like Miss Peppy here. She's like an award-winning celebrity.
Hi everybody, we're in Ghana, West Africa at the Miklin Hotel. And if you're not on this tour this year, shame on you. But make it next year. Africa for the Africans.org or peppypromotions.com. Peace.
That's perfect. I get a percentage of that.
I say I have to, my son-in-law wired me some money. He goes, make sure you get this shirt. Make sure you get this shirt.
Oh yeah, you can wire us all the money. We'll get you all kind of things. Because Ghana literally you could literally spend $1 million here shopping.
He said, Ghana, this shirt is so different, the material, the design. So he said, make sure you get a shirt extra large.
Definitely, my sister. We go to two culture centers. We go to the culture center in Accra, which we're going to today, and then we're going to one in Kumasi, the two biggest one in the entire country. Group picture. And my sister here, she just looking all natural and vibrant, just full of energy. You you have no plans on going back to America.
Well, I would love to stay like yes.
Absolutely. And we got the serious gentleman conversation over here. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning, my brothers. Good morning. Morning. And we have the tour guide of the decade. But I don't know how long he's going to be the tour guide of the decade if the bus don't come.
I thought he was buying some grass. I thought he said he was buying some grass.
Yeah, just reminiscing and reconnecting. Yes, family. This is Sister Cheryl's third journey of a lifetime, and I'm trying to figure out why she want to hang out with Bomani Time and the crew. And I think it's because of this gentleman here. He has been a wonderful person and touching, and they have made a wonderful connection. And they have done wonderful things for a lot of the children in Ghana, right? Appreciate you. What's going on? She want to take a group picture. This is the wonderful Jassy Peppy Park. She is the ultimate morning exercise stretcher, and she'll be up at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. And she gonna be exercising and stretching us out right there by the pool. And then we got the co-exercise stretcher meditation expert, yoga fitness stretcher, the only person with a yoga mat.
I was up.
How could you knock me up with that knocking?
Yeah, I was ready to go.
And then the man next and somebody else. I'm like, someone was just.
Yeah, it's 8:10. I want people to know it's 8:10, and we're gonna get to go out and see the whole city. If you go with your friends like to Jamaica or go to Trinidad, they're gonna wake you up at noon because y'all gonna be hanging out so late. So you're not gonna get to see the country, but with Bomani, it gets you up at 6 o'clock. Like my sister say, that's because you want folks to get up at 6. Right on this point.
In Jamaica, it was like, oh, okay, 6 o'clock in the morning, you be up, you know, so you can get around.
So you need an enforcer. You need an enforcer.
That's right.
You know, you need somebody with military power. Good morning, my beautiful sister. I'm so happy to see you. How you feeling? You're so mellow. I don't think you're going back home. I don't think you're going back to America. As a matter of fact, we might have to kidnap you. So you could. And Sister Fanny, while you have booked an extended stay, that's scary.
Oh, yeah.
So that means you're going to be on your own for 2 weeks. Under Bomani guidance and arrangements and setups, which will get her there in the blessing. But she's going to get a chance to experience 2 weeks away from the journey of a lifetime and get a chance to really feel what it is to be on the ground without driving around in a nice air-conditioned bus, a professional tour guide, organizers and everything. So she's going to really rough it. She's talking about going to places where no hot water is, no electricity. She's talking about like roughing it in like a village.
Yes, definitely.
Wow, that is deep. You're a brave soldier.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to try to do the real thing. I want to get out of it all, and I may not go back to it.
Family, hear that? The journey of a lifetime. You can experience anything you want. Awesome. And we are waiting for a magical bus, and the bus is still not here. Good morning, gentlemen. Breakfast was wonderful. You guys are the great master chef, right? So what do we have for breakfast this morning?
This morning we have, let's say, assorted fruits. We have pineapple juice. We have toasted bread. We have potatoes. We have gizzard mixed with vegetables, and then we have fried egg.
All right, excellent. What you have for vegetarians?
What do I have in?
For vegetarians, you got some fruits?
Yes, we got some fruits. We have some fruits and then some vegetables. And then we have some cereals and
all right, cool. So we got we got the mobile breakfast, everything going on here. Well, thank you, brothers. Thank you.
we thank you very much.
And family, just giving you a quick introduction and feel, and you're gonna get to see more footage later. So stay tuned.